guys. My feet literally sink. Dang, look at this.
Yeah, that's right there.
That's so deep. It's making that noise. Hey guys, hopefully you can see me because it's really dark out and it's also snowing. I wanted to show you guys just how much snow we're getting right now. So you can tell. Look at our side of the house. I have my boots on so my feet are not cold. But I don't know if you can see the footprints. It's really dark now. Today is Valentine's Day and it's freezing. Good morning, it is now the next day and this is what we look like. So it is the next day and it snowed a lot during the night, but also the light went out. The light went out. Didn't want to come outside. Anyway, the electricity went out on the whole block and the whole neighborhood last night. It kept going on and off.
How much is this?
It's a good maybe 5 inches of snow. So the electricity kept going in and out around 2 a.m. and then this morning it was off and I was freezing yesterday. I was freezing in my bed and it still hasn't came on, and I know it's in the whole neighborhood, so I don't know what time it'll be on. And I didn't get to charge my GoPro, so, and my phone's dead. Domino does not care. Look at him. He's sinking in the snow.
Look at Mom. Jump in the trampoline.
The trampoline is gonna. It's gonna break, bro. Look at how much snow's in the middle.
Oh yeah, that's ice right there.
That's ice, right? It's gonna break if somebody jumps. Domino, what are you doing? Domino. Boy, there's a lot of snow over here. And there's sand over here. Damn. I'm about to slip. Look how deep it is over here. Look where we put the milks. Hey, look at the pups. So cute. So cute. This is their first snow.
Come here, Luna. Just like you did when.
Oh my goodness. So cute. So cute. The little paws are cold. Domino. They don't even care. It's still not melted. Hell no. What are we doing over here? ¿Y con qué usaste el este?
No tuve que poner la margarita.
Boys. Chloe, what do you think of this snow, Chloe?
Pues va a quedar, ¿cómo se dice?
Everybody's doing nothing. Pozole is done. Oh my goodness. Stop making me laugh.
Before I get you by my side, in this whole
It is 6:40 and we still don't have no light. As you can see, it's really dark in my room. Sunset is gone. Snow is still outside. And we got this one candle right here in the living room. As you can see, sunset is gone. My mom's on the phone, so it's so freaking loud. That's the only light. That's the only light we got right now. Since 3 a.m. yesterday, we don't have any electricity. Good thing is our hot water is still on. But we called the city and I think they're not sure when it's gonna be back. How long did they say, Amy? 1 day? I think they said 1 or 2 days until we can actually get the light going. I don't know why this is happening, but my computer hasn't yet to die. That's how I'm charging my phone. Smart, huh? And I want to edit tonight, so my brother, I think, went to go try and buy a generator. But I'm not sure. It's taking a long time, so the sun already went down. So, I'll see what happens. It's getting warm in here. Got this little, what is this? Mr. Heater. That's literally what it's called. We have a generator outside somewhere. ¿Y el dame? Oh, pues allá está mejor. I need to charge my laptop. Charging my laptop. Chloe, you better not step on it. I don't know what that is. I took a shower right now, but I didn't wash my hair because it's too cold. So I got my little candle still. Definitely miss huge. This is how it looks spooky out here, yo. Look, you can't even see our streets. The only thing you can see is that moon, that beautiful, beautiful moon. There's a car over there somewhere. I told my mom we got more light outside than inside. Look at all these lights out here. The snow obviously hasn't melted yet. It looks like a... Yeah. Look, it looks like a spooky town. You can't even see anything.
I'm blind right now. I don't have my glasses.
Not me either, but you can see everybody's in their cars. Over here too.
The street is more icy.
Wow, look at the sky. You can see the stars. You can't on my camera, but it's a real clear sky. Damn, it looks scary. But yeah, I just wanted to come outside to show you that moon right there. And also just how much snow. Oh, I'm cold. It looks like we have light inside our house, but right. It looks like we got light inside the house. We got power. But yeah, it looks really spooky. Sandals. Oh shoot. Let's go back inside. It's spooky outside. Chloe, what are you doing? Nothing is still. Amy, it looks scary outside. Another update. Look at him, ready to go outside. Whew. Can you see it? You can't even see me. It's still really dark outside. You can't see nothing. Look at the milk still here. What? It's frozen?
It's kinda frozen. There's still some.
What the? Tastes weird. Can y'all see? It's like 17 degrees. What time is it right now? 9? We're going on 16 hours with no power. 16 hours. Since last night at 3 a.m. I'm like warming my feet right here because it's cold. This is actually helping a lot. Even though it's really small. If we had 2 of these, it'd be perfect. But anyway, 16 hours of no power, hopefully. There's a lot of houses that already have their power on, but not us yet. And honestly, it's kind of crazy. Crazy how all this is happening at the same time. Honestly, I'm waiting for my laptop to finish charging so I can start editing. Phone's charging too. Everyone's over here. And we have that little light on here too. There's a lot of people that are local churches seeking shelter, especially the people that don't have any power or anything, and like hot water. We do have hot water, but it's still... Oscar's still outside taking pictures. See, you can't see nothing. Domino's over there digging something up. I thought you said don't go through that door.
You unlocked the other one.
Mark locked it. I told you he was outside.